I'm standing on the edge of a brand new day. Shadows of the past trying to pull me away. Every doubt whispers you're not enough, but my heartbeat says I'm built for more than dust. I've been quiet for too long. Now I hear my inner song. These are the echoes of tomorrow, calling me to rise above the sorrow. I won't run, I won't hide anymore. I'm knocking on destiny's door. Yeah, the echoes of tomorrow say I was born for more. Broken dreams stitched with hope and light. Every scar proves I survived the night. I learned strength doesn't come from control. It comes from believing in your soul. Every fall just taught me how to stand taller than before. Right now, these are the echoes of tomorrow.